Okay, guys, so I'm going to attempt to show you what I mean by rise over run, okay? So the first thing I did is I had this line drawn, okay? And the line is just a linear equation. And if I go back to this slide, it says when you're looking at a graph, you're calculating the rise and putting it over the run to find slope. We'll add that, okay? And when I look at this graph, so I have 2 points. That's the first thing you have to do is find 2 points that go across and have to be exact points. So this one hits there and this one hits there. And then what I did over here is I created a chart with the points in it. So this line intercepts at -2, 0. Okay. And it also intercepts at 0, 4, which we know is going to be our starting point because it's our y-intercept. So when I'm drawing my equation is going to look like y equals mx plus 4 at the end. I know that no matter what. Sorry, my kid's playing the drums in the background. But so let's go ahead and look at it. So rise is essentially literally how far goes up. So in this case, it's going up by 2. Okay. So it's that simple. I'm literally going to write 2. Here, I'll write it in a font that you can see it. I'm going to write it in like font 18. How about bigger? How about 36? Okay. So I have 2 because that's how far it's going up. And then run is how far it's going over. So I'm literally going to count how far is it going over. Okay, it's literally going over 1. Do you see that? Doop, 1. So it's 2 over 1, which is our slope, which 2 over 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so that's the slope of this line. It's 2. I know that doesn't sound too complicated. It is actually very, very simple. And it helps because once I have that, I can fill in the rest of my chart. So I know that 1 is going to be the middle. It's going to be my growth. In this case is 2 because the slope and the growth are the same thing. And when I draw my equation, so when I go back to this line, this m that means slope, we also know means growth, which we learned early on at the beginning of the year. So we know that the growth is also going to be the slope. So when I come over here, I know that my growth is 2. So if this is 4, this is going to be 6. Okay, let's go double check that. So if I went to 1, 6, yep, it's exactly on that point. Okay, so then we know that we've done it right. And we can keep going and make the rest of our chart. So that's kind of what I'm talking about when I say slope, how to calculate slope, doing rise over run. I hope that was helpful. It's the first time I've ever tried to do this, recording a screen. So if you have any questions, meet me at office hours on Wednesday at 12 o'clock. Thanks, guys. Love you. Bye.